Why are there a lot of units requiring very high COV now? So this is a very hot question, especially from first timers, because this is their first house and they need to fork out a lot of cash. So in this episode, I'll be sharing with you my personal opinion on why COV cases is on the trend right now. Hey everyone, Fidelis here, and today I'll be sharing with you few reasons that contribute to the market being so hot now that everywhere you go is expected for you to pay high COV. So in case you don't know what I mean by COV, it's short form for cash over valuation. And it simply means if you buy a house at a price higher than the valuation price, the difference will be in cash. So the first obvious reason is the concept of supply and demand. Right now, what I see in the market is that there are a lot of demands, but the supplies are low, and it is exceptionally so for some estates and older flats, which usually are selling at lower prices than newer flats. And when demand exceeds supplies, that will actually drive up the price. So what contributes to the increase of demand and lower supply in houses? The two main ones will be delay in BTO completion and sellers being stuck in their purchase after selling. So the BTO buyers are now flooding the resale market, hence increasing the demand, and due to reasons such as finance, low supply in COV, sellers might be stuck in their purchasing too, hence they cannot quickly sell their flat too. Now, the next reason will be the higher price expectations by homeowners. It's natural for you to want the best. So when you see your neighbor selling at a certain price, you wouldn't want to sell much lower than that. And that's what causes the price to increase, because now the price expectations have increased even though previously it's not as high. And it's not wrong at all. In fact, my job is to ensure you get the best price in the market, and I will advise you to do so. But this is one of the reasons why the prices are increasing, which lead to higher COV. Now, the third reason will be the spread of data for valuation. So this increment of prices in the market happened in these past few months, and it's quite a sudden change. And the assessment for valuation will usually use a certain period of data for reference, and when they average it out, the valuation price might still be on the lower side because it cannot catch up with the sudden change in price. So I hope when the new prices are normalized for the next few months, the valuation price will increase accordingly and will lower down the COV amount. It is definitely a difficult time for buyers now, especially first timers, because they need to fork out a lot of cash just to buy a house when they can actually use it for the renovation, wedding and family planning. And the COV amount can even be 40k or more, one lump sum and no installment. So all we can do now is to hope that the market will recover soon. But for buyers who are in urgent need to get a house, proper financial planning is required, and definitely you need to set a more realistic expectation as we are in a different market now. And so that's it for this episode. I hope this gives you a better explanation as to why there are a lot of COV cases around. For your housing matters, you can always contact me at 94592866 or PM me directly, and I'll be happy to assist you on it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Fidelis here, signing off.